Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I wanted to show you this beautiful card that I think is so simple yet so stunning. It's got that fabulous gold layer there for a little bit of bling and shine. It's got the beautiful flowers because we all know how much I love flowers, but yet it's so simple with just a few layers and just a very subtle background, stamping that floral image both in opposite corners there. So I just wanted to show you, some of you who have been stamping for a while maybe already know this, but if you're new to stamping, then maybe you aren't aware of it, and it's something that I kind of forget about sometimes. So I have all my Stampin' Write markers, and so here I have Old Olive and Elegant Eggplant. Did you know that you can actually ink your stamps with your markers? So in order to get that two-tone color, this is actually not a two-step stamping stamp. This is the stamp from the Hold On to Hope stamp set. So this is in the Occasions mini catalog, and it's that image down there at the bottom. So you can see it's a nice floral image. It's got the greenery and it's got the flowers in it. Well, if I stamped it in my Old Olive, the flowers would come out green. But if I stamped it in Elegant Eggplant, then the greenery would come out purple. So I'm just going to use my markers to ink it up and then stamp it down. That way I can get that fabulous color variation. So here I have the image, and I'm simply going to use the marker tip, not the pen tip. So the marker tip of the marker, and I'm just going to color in all of the flowers with that marker tip. So now I have all of the purple done, and have no fear if you feel like it's taking you forever and that it's going to dry, because that is not the case. Once we get done with this, then I will show you a little trick if you think that it may have gone dry, but I usually don't have a problem with it, and we all know that, like, especially during classes and demonstrations, I tend to talk a lot, so I tend to take longer whenever I'm doing it, and it still comes out fabulous. Doing the greenery is a little bit easier because you just kind of fill in everywhere. Okay, so now we have both of those colors all inked up on the stamp. So I could go ahead and stamp it down, or I could huff on it. And by huffing, I mean, think about, instead of blowing on your hot food to cool it off, think about putting the hot food in your mouth and then kind of going like it's too hot. So I'm just going to huff on it. And then stamp it down. By huffing on it, it re-moistens that ink and gets that gorgeous color. So I'm actually just going to huff on it again to do the second one. It'll come out a little bit lighter, but at least then I don't have to do the image all over again. So you could always, if you wish to do it again, you could. But look how this one's just a little bit darker than this one, but yet they still look fabulous. So if you want, you can go ahead and ink it up again, or you can just stamp it twice just like that and still get that color variation and that awesome look. Super, super simple. Then I just took the Elegant Eggplant ink pad and went ahead and stamped the greeting on a square, and then used the Layering Squares framelits and some of my gold foil paper to die cut out that little bit of bling there. So super, super love it. Of course, I'll be posting pictures of these on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check that out there. Let me know if you've done this trick before. Have you colored with your markers before on your stamps? Do you really enjoy doing that a lot? Or do you kind of forget about that little tip and technique? So I'd love to hear from you in the comments below on if you've ever used it, and if you need to bring it back into your collection of stamping techniques. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to hit that little bell next to the subscription so that you get a notification whenever I do post a video. That way you'll get a little email reminder or a little reminder on your YouTube channel just to know that I posted, and you won't miss any of my fabulous techniques as I post every Tuesday and Thursday. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping! Bye-bye.